In this video we're taking an honest look at MangoPay, a popular payment infrastructure platform that powers many online marketplaces and digital platforms. MangoPay enables businesses to handle pay-ins, wallets, payouts and multi-currency transactions while staying compliant with KYC and AML regulations. One of its biggest strengths is its safeguarding system, which keeps user funds separate from company assets for added security. Pricing is usage-based and transparent, meaning you pay only for what you use with lower fees as your volume grows. On the performance side, the system is reliable and well-suited for platforms managing multiple sellers or users. However, some users have reported issues with delayed payouts, strict verification processes, and slow customer support responses, especially when withdrawing funds through platforms like Vint. These issues often stem from the integration between MangoPay and the partner platform rather than MangoPay itself, but they can still affect user experience. Overall, MangoPay is a technically strong and regulation-compliant payment solution ideal for platforms and businesses needing scalability and control, though it's not without occasional friction points. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more transparent tech and finance app reviews that help you make smarter choices.